Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, to my garden. Yaje here, excited to share another gardening video with you. So today I just wanted to share with you updates on the pumpkin that I am growing in my backyard. So it has been about 5 weeks. Planted the seeds on the 2nd of March. So today is April the 14th, maybe 4 to 5 weeks. And I want to show you how much growth I have, and then we're going to do something known as the first cutting, where we cut the tip of the pumpkin so that we can have more side shoots. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So guys, look at how much growth we have of the pumpkin. This is Cucurbita Maxima, and we cultivate this in Africa for the leaves. The leaves are edible, the tender leaves, they're edible, and then the pumpkin that comes out of this is edible, and then the seeds inside of the pumpkin are also edible. So it really does give you a good return for your investment, if you will. Okay, so this one right here is 5 weeks old, I want to say, and it is time to do something known as first cutting. And the reason why we do that is so that we can get more side branches formed. You can see this is a side branch fixing to form. This is another one. But if we do not cut this top, then we're gonna just keep having like growth like this. It's gonna keep creeping. So when we cut that top, we kind of control it. Plus we use that for vegetables, just the very tender leaves. This leaf right here is already too rough, cannot eat this one, but the top like 3 leaves are usually tender enough to be edible. So you want to wait until you have a couple of leaves down here, about at least 5 leaves that will support photosynthesis before you start cutting. So I'm gonna work on that one, but let me show you other ones that I have since planted. That is a freshly planted pumpkin, and then I have another one over here as well, right here. That is one, and then on the other side of the garden over there I have 2 more. So a total of 5 is way more than enough, because as I start cutting, it's gonna keep producing more branches. So this one is gonna give me at least 1, 2, 3, 4 more branches. You see how it can quickly multiply, so you don't want to grow a lot of it. Okay, let's cut our pumpkin. I'm using garden shears, clean garden shears. You can use a knife as well. Some people were complaining that this is very invasive. It is not, because you can always trim it. Okay, so what I want to do is count like 1, 2, 3 leaves and then cut. Okay, so again, make sure you have 5 leaves down here, at least 5, that can carry out photosynthesis. And then we're gonna cut like away from this node that is gonna form the side shoot. So somewhere around here. Oop. That's what we want to do. Okay, so I'm gonna make some vegetable soup out of these leaves. It's just this, 2 or 3 leaves. I will mix it with something else, but the next time I harvest, I will have a lot more to harvest from. Okay, that is what we harvested. Again, this is nothing, but let me just quickly show you how it normally would be processed for food. We would cut this part. Okay, we can cut it with our shears like this. Just the tender leaves are edible, and the tender stems as well. So what we would do is grab this and then try to peel this tough part off, just like this. See that? I don't know if you can see this, but peel it off like this. Okay, and then I will take this inside, wash it, steam it, and cook it in a peanut sauce, like roasted peanuts, lightly roasted peanuts. That's how I'll cook it, with some hot peppers, and then eat it with fufu. This is all I harvested. The tender stem is edible. Okay, the very tender stem, not the tough one. So we want to peel off this outer skin, which is kind of fibrous. Yeah, this is edible. I'm gonna go cook this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was valuable. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe if you have not yet done so. Until next time, grow a garden, because when you grow a garden, you grow health. Happy gardening, everybody. Bye bye.